Hi, my name is David Clennon on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to paint on a piece of scrap wood that you find anywhere. Alright, now that I've got my vase painted, I know it sounds like my face painted, but my vase painted, I'm going to move on to the wine glasses. And since it's a antique kitchen, I think what I'm going to do is they used to make a lot of glass out of blue glass, so I think what I'm going to do is take this light blue with some white, and I'll just come in here and start to fill in this real lightly, and I can come in and add some depth to it later. They're almost like goblets. So my paint's chipping, but that's alright because I want it to look old anyway, so I'll just keep on going. Get me some more white here. I'm going to fill in the stem. And the thing about this is you can just be really loose, because sometimes some of the simplest things turn out to be the prettiest paintings, just like when kids paint. Kids are probably some of the best artists in the world. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to do the same thing on this one. Okay, I want to get the sphere and the depth of the actual rim of the glass, so I'm just going to come in and fill that in with a little bit of black, just so you can tell that it's a wine glass, and it is a glass. I'm going to come back in, get this stem, and this one's a little bit darker, but that's alright. Okay, really loose. And those are your wine glasses.